Here's the history of the train station, Bath Spa Railway train station, one of the most beautiful and historical significant train stations in the UK. It was designed to be a grand entrance to the city and matching the beautiful with architecture throughout Bath for it's famous of because of its limestone. Now overall the design was by a legend in 1840. You have the station was designed by a famous engineer from the Victorian age, Isambard Kingdom Brunel. The Great Western Railway, Bath was a key stop for Bernard's main line connecting Bristol to London and also matching the city. He knew that Bath was upscale and beautiful, and instead of the standard brick lane buildings, he designed more of a Gothic style using local honey colored bath stones that he helped blend in through the surrounding buildings. Now, the station today in recent years has seen and handled over 1 million passengers a year, but its historical charm is still there. In 2017, we saw updates. The platform was widened and straightened, and it was connected faster electrical trains, and also the original stones and wooden were carefully preserved. When you walk through the front doors, you're immediately greeted with a view of the city. I was leaving the city, so some of this video was a little bit different. But some quick facts about it. It was opened June 30th, 1840. Its main material is Bath limestone, and it is a wonderful train station, a safe train station for anyone going through and wanting to visit Bath. And maybe you're a little hesitant because you don't know what the train station looks like. So here is a quick view of the train station, and be sure to subscribe and visit here. You have multiple zones, but it's pretty simple and easy to read. And this is a beautiful location that doesn't feel anything like you're coming from London.